Traditional sleeving is going to be an Inconel or a stainless steel or maybe a titanium. Those are great. They've worked very well for many years, but the problem with those technologies is they do create losses on the rotor overall. And how can we eliminate those losses? Again, pushing the energy efficiency of surface mount permanent magnet rotors as high as we can. One thing we can do is use carbon fiber sleeving. So not only loss reduction, but what's the other thing that carbon fiber brings to the table? It's density. Its strength to density ratios is why people use carbon fiber. It's very light. So if we're looking at a rotating piece of electrical machinery, the Inconel retaining band, for example, that has a lot of what we call self-induced stresses. So if I have an Inconel retaining band on a rotor and it's spinning very fast, it uses a lot of its own strength just to hold itself together because it's heavy, because it's a metal. Now, if I sub that out for a carbon fiber with a much lower density, the carbon fiber doesn't need to use as much of its own strength just to hold itself together. So now we can use its strength to perform what we need it to do.